friends. Okay, so this is your Walgreens preview for the week of September the 10th to the 16th. A lot of great little dealios in this ad. We're going to go through it bite by bite. But the first thing I'd like to address is the summer 90% off clearance. So selected summer merchandise, pool floaties, that good stuff, everything and anything. There's been so many influencers showing different things online. I'm sure you've seen some of this stuff. 90% off. It started on a Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Usually by Sunday, most staffers or managers have to start boxing this stuff up to make room for more Halloween and Christmas. It's auctioned off to people that resell. It's called seasonal shelf pulls. And basically, it ends up on their Amazon store, or actually they will sell it in a brick and mortar, maybe one of those bin stores that they have, and it's just Walgreens shelf pulls. But if you wanted to get in on some of this stuff at 90, head out to the store right away. I made a full dedicated video yesterday of what I found. And if your store isn't even tagged, I mean, that could be your Candyland opportunity, but I would go sooner than later to look for this stuff, because probably by Sunday it's going to get boxed up and sent back to head office. Okay, so before we even talk about the mathematics and all that fun stuff, treat this video as a preview. On Sunday, September the 10th, we're going to have the full ad with all the digital coupons. Right now, they only provide us like a little bit of a sample, but the full menu is going to be published on the 10th. Now, for whatever stupid reason, this showed up in one of my accounts today, 5 back when you spend 20, and I only have 1 day to use it. If you might have a booster like that, definitely look through and load it. I haven't seen anything yet for next week, so we'll have to wait and see what happens. But looking at the front of the flyer, lots of great little deals. One thing I'm really shocked by, 2 for $17 for that Garnier Fructis. Oh my gosh. When did that become such a hot and expensive commodity? Like, it's unreal for hair dye how expensive it's jumped. Yeah, I'm just shocked by that. The first deal we're going to look at is the Garnier Fructis, 2 for $8. When you spend 10 or more, you're going to get a $3 register reward. So that's interesting. They kind of changed the rules on that one. So grabbing 3 of them at that price point, that'll be $12. And subtracting, we're going to have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You're going to pay $9. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $6 for the 3, or $2 per Fructis products. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to earn your register reward. The next deal is $4 Crest Oral-B products, $3 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of these, it's $8. Subtracting a 3 off 2 digital, that will be showing up on Sunday. You're going to pay $5 or roll $5 in Walgreens Cash if you're doing this without a booster. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And again, you're doing this with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to earn your register reward. Okay, now we're looking at a really great deal this week on the P&G Laundry Care. $5.49. We're supposed to get dollar digitals for all these products, or maybe we already have it. $5 reward when you buy 4 of these. So grabbing a mix of the softener, the Bounce dryer sheets, the Tide Pods, and the Tide Liquid is $21.96. Subtracting the $4 digital coupons for each, pay $17.96, get back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4, or $3.24 per product. Now, if you're doing this without a booster, it is okay to use Walgreens Cash, but I would do this one with a booster just to get a little bit of extra frosting on the cake and extra savings for this one. Another laundry deal that we're looking at is with the Persil for $5.99. $2 reward when you buy this, but what is the stipulation? Do you have to buy 2? What is the fine print? We don't know. In the Flippy app too, it's not really saying what the fine print is, so that's kind of, we'll have to wait and see Sunday morning what this is all about. IBOTTA is giving $1 back for these smaller Persils. This is kind of like a German Tide. It's a very good product. If you've ever tried it, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Picking one of these up for $5.99, getting back a $2 register reward. Photograph that receipt to IBOTTA for an extra $1 back. You're looking at $2.99 for a Persil. That's usually like $8.99 for one. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this without a booster. And on Sunday morning, we're going to have to look at the tags at the store. What is the stipulation? Is it buy 2? Is it buy 1? What are the stipulations to get back that register reward? The General Mills cereal, 2 for $5, which is a really good price point because the price for 1 is usually $5.99. Like, is this stuff made out of gold? Yes or no? I would like to know that because this seems awfully expensive. I guess it's the price of food right now. We have this digital, which is $1 off a two. Make sure you have it loaded, guys. Now, if you head over to your IBOTTA account, we have $1 back also when you buy two. On Sunday morning, scan your cereal with the IBOTTA app to ensure that the rebate is there and that, you're going to get your money back. Buying two of these for $5, subtracting that digital, you'll pay $4, get an extra $1 back from IBOTTA, making this $3 for the two or $1.50 per box. Scan with the IBOTTA app that you're grabbing the right boxes of cereal. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down that balance. I'm shocked how expensive the cereal is. BOGO 50% off on Scott paper towel and toilet paper, grabbing two of these at $10. Instant savings of 50% off. So it's $7.50 for the two or $3.75 per bag. If you remember, Fetch Rewards is a partner with Kimberly-Clark, the parent company of Scott. Photograph your receipt to that app. You might get back a couple of, 50 cents or something like that back, but you might get something back. Now, this deal kind of excites me because Caress is one of these products, when's the last time we've ever had a deal on this? I don't seem to remember. It's BOGO 50% off. Earn $2 of Walgreens cash when you buy two. We also have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off a 2. Make sure you have this guy loaded. There's a brown sugar scrub that's absolutely fabulous. It's my favorite. IBOTTA is also giving back $1 back for each. So you're going to have to open up this app, scan the different Caresses you're buying on Sunday. Are they attaching? Yes or no? Grabbing two of these on a BOGO 50% off, it's $12.73. Subtracting your digital, you'll pay $9.73 out of pocket, get $2 back in Walgreens cash, $2 back from IBOTTA, making it $5.73 for the two or $2.82 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster. Honorable mention time. So the first is with this Green Mountain coffee. Buy two, get one for free. As you know, we have two different flavors that's like 75% off right now. And I was getting a $2 register reward to print with them. The caramel vanilla cream and the Nantucket blend. So if you can find, three of these on clearance, if the third one rings up for free and you get back a register reward, maybe this is a deal to try to pursue. We also have a buy one, get two for free on Kellogg's. For that first box of cereal, you'll probably pay just under $7, but still better than paying full price. And then these different Dove products, $2 reward when you buy two. What is the digital coupon Sunday morning for these products? That's my question. $1.99 for these Reese's snack size. I mean, that's just winning every way you look at it. I mean, who doesn't like the Reese's? And 99 cents for the different Mars single serve candy. And then $2.39 for candy corn. And more 2 for $9 for the different Haagen-Dazs frozen treats, and then 2 for $7 for the Lay's potato chips. Final item we're looking at is this native deodorant. Buy one, get one 25% off. $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy two. If you're really about the aluminum-free fancy dancy deodorants, I'm guilty of trying this stuff and liking it. This might be an opportunity to get some cheaper deodorant. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.